Matt Spanners has competed in all of the Ilamuna endurance races since its first race in 2020. On a hot Saturday morning, all the teams started lining up on the grid for Africa's toughest endurance race, a test of car, driver, and the hard-working team behind a successful race. Efficient pit stops kept them fighting for the lead. Late at night when vision is at its worst, Matt Spanners were able to keep their cool while battling driver fatigue and tire wear.
Reset!
The next morning was a windy one. While some teams never made it through the night, Matt Spanners lap after lap edged closer and closer to the top step of the podium. Pit stop to fill the tank and a driver swap to take the car to the finish line. 12 p.m. on Sunday afternoon, 24 hours later, Matt Spanners crosses the finish line in second place.
Ja?
Kijk, hy baie weer kans ek binne die stryd. Dis te kom net by my. En toe daai snyk is so op.
Dis fucking warm.
That was fun, mate. That was good fun. Go 24 hours.
Epic team. They're meant to have two teams this year, unfortunately one car broke. But the one that stayed did extremely well, placing second. I'd like to welcome Matt Spanners.